she's saying it. The shippers have been happy, you know, and when the way she bullshit the brand builders, like you said you want to come live, you will not come live, you come and crash 1 minute, you've gone to open space for shippers or do whatever for shippers to enjoy. You know, it's more or less like you're telling us, fuck you. You are not taking us serious. And we are the ones trending, you're doing a lot of things. But then you don't see us as humans. Those people, they drag you at every second, they drag you for hours. Humans, you still respect them above the brand builders. Now, they will now tell you that, oh, these people are Nigerians. They even went xenophobic on us. And you still accepted that. And even today, when you were angry and talking to your own leader and all that, saying all manner of things, you brought that up. You actually went xenophobic, like, oh, you don't even know I'm a South African woman and this and that. Oh, so you don't know you're a South African woman when you were collecting all that money and practically doing all those things that you were doing. So on my own part, like just recently, you when she's been crashing out, there's a lot going on actually. I don't even know if I should divulge everything. But the thing is that as regards that they said very advise her to kill the baby, remove pregnancy, because of course I had that. I'm a horrible woman. I'm not a horrible woman. Somebody brought her grievances to me. She was crying in tears and saying all manner of things. And oh, I've disappointed you. I know this and that. And I'm like, okay, I asked so many questions, you know, like so, painting a picture for somebody that, do you feel like, did you fight before you get to this place? Yes, I did. Do you feel like it is necessary for you to hold this spot and actually fight for it for your future? Oh, yes. If you think you got it on a platter of gold, of course you can throw it away. But if you feel like you really fought for it, then you should actually still stay and continue to hold on and the fan base and make sure everything is going on fine for you. Outside that, I also told her about how she got lucky to be one of the people that have a largest fan base, just like Guluva. I also told, as I painted so many this, and she's like, oh, she's been wanting to actually in her mind. So any shippers that come and say rubbish, she's the one that said it with her mouth. Oh, she's been wanting to, she would like to actually, terminate or remove any baby or something. Do you understand? And when they said that, I'm like, okay, well, if you feel like that is the right thing, then that is good. Go ahead and do it. But I feel like that is the best thing to do. If that is, except if you guys are planning wedding, or have you guys spoken about marriage? Because the way you are going about it, maybe you guys have spoken about marriage, or you are planned to, really settle down. If that is the case, then fine. You can keep it and you guys can just have your baby, do family things and all that. And like, no, there's nothing like that, that you feel manipulated, they've been manipulated. And you were actually saying so many bad things about your lover, your so-called lover. In between all the crashing, the guy said something that I don't know if I should be saying all these things. Said something that really pissed you off. You went to go and unfollow him by yourself. Practically, she has been handling her page for over a month by herself. Nobody is managing that page for her. As from maybe let's even say like she took over the page maybe middle of March. She has been taking and managing. She learned how to use it, and she has been using her page. Nobody is doing it for her. So all this one that people are saying that they took her phone, all these shippers with their stupid narrative, I don't understand. They took her phone to now come and use it to speak for her. No, she's the one that actually used her own phone to unfollow her love, the love of her life. So it's nobody that used it. And at her own time, when she got tired, she still went to go and follow him back. So that's the deal. All this one that people are trying to put it on another person that, oh, they booked a spa for her on the day that her boyfriend is doing something so they can take a shine. There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Tuesday was not the day of the show. So if she had gone for spa on Tuesday, I don't think that would have affected the lover, because the lover did his own thing on Saturday and on Sunday. So every dog must have his day now. That is for that one. So all this one that people are just trying to pop narrative. So somebody is telling you something and giving you all the grievances and all the reasons why, oh, I must not do this. And I told her, I said, I feel like, my opinion, I feel like if you have to do social thing and you have to you have to stay on removal or whatever, then you should. Because if you're a beautiful girl and if you really want to do all these things, I think you should just calm down and chill and do it at the right time, not at any time that it is not making sense. You understand? You have to properly know the guy, get to know each other. You still be dating him. You don't have to leave him. Because of course, I'm not asking you to leave the guy. Do you understand that you guys can, and with all the stress that is going on, anything might even happen to you. So if you stay with the guy, you guys can actually properly get to know each other. Have you told your mom? Do you feel is the right thing for you to do? If you tell your mom, you need to let your family know about these things so that you can know how to properly plan yourself. So all these things was where I asked, and she was like, "No, I didn't tell my mom." Okay, but you've told the whole world, but you didn't tell your mom. How good is that? Is that actually nice for you as a human? Like that's more or less like you're throwing your mom into the dustbin or something. That's not nice. And after saying that, that's why it's just like advising. We're also planning on bringing her to Nigeria for maybe, guys. You know that they're doing maybe is it MVC or and this thing, the events. So we're trying to bring. It's already even planned. So that was why we said that. Oh, okay. I even now offered that. Okay, maybe if you don't want to do it in South Africa, you think you want to go and do such things in like, but it can be handled. They can take care of you. Everything will be okay. And you were like, okay, let you go and think about it. The next day, you have a shipper around you. Both of you were talking. Then, when I asked questions, like, how far have you thought about it? You were telling the shipper that, oh, okay, look at this is what I'm saying. They're harassing. I'm not harassing. I only asked the question, and you didn't answer. And I left you. Since then, I didn't talk to you again. So whatever happened between her and the Felsi girl or whatever, all the story that they've been talking since Tuesday, I'm not even in. I don't know about it. The one she did yesterday, after that Monday thing and whatever happened between us, she now came to come and yeah, on Tuesday that she was supposed to go for the spa. She didn't go. She wasted the money of the spa. That like, the money can go to places. I don't care. Do you understand? So now I'm saying all this just in case tomorrow they decide to open a space and start saying, I'm not a horrible person, please.